Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by weighing and measuring. Precision matters. Combine 1 cup softened butter and 1/3 of the powdered sugar, then mix until smooth. Add 0.2% titanium dioxide by weight. This is a tiny amount, so use a scale, do not eyeball it. Once done, sift the titanium dioxide into the sugar to disperse it evenly. This prevents streaks. Make sure to keep the powder dry and avoid inhaling it. Work gently and confidently to get an even base. Now you'll build color and texture. With the mixer on medium, add the sifted titanium dioxide blended into the sugar in thirds. Mix 20 to 30 seconds after each addition so pigment disperses. If you see tiny specks, stop and scrape sides. Make sure to mix longer rather than adding more powder. Once all sugar and pigment are combined, test texture. Add 1 teaspoon milk at a time until spreadable. This method ensures smooth, opaque white without graininess or overloading the buttercream. Final steps: taste for sweetness and test color under natural light. Titanium dioxide will appear slightly more opaque after resting. If the buttercream is too soft, chill 10 to 15 minutes and then re-whip at low speed to restore structure. Should you notice streaks, add a tiny extra sift, 0.05%, and mix slowly until uniform. Make sure to avoid overmixing because excess air will change texture and can lead to collapse or subtle yellowing. Keep it covered until piping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.